Hello guys, it's me again. So let's check whether the sets are all complete. So the microphone stand, I think I love this one. So I will give this to the recipient, the fortunate one. Charot!
So that's it for the contents or the sets. Okay, so guys, what you call this? That's it. Okay guys, look at. Okay. This one. This one. These two. Okay. Well, with this here, I think. How many? Here, or here are here. So I will be putting this here. Okay, here. Probably. And then the other one would be here, like this. Okay.
Here. Okay, so I think all the accessories are all complete. So watch out for the recipient of this set, of this microphone set. So thank you very much guys. This has been Mommy Shawie vlog, and more power everyone. God bless. Happy to share this microphone stand. So thank you very much guys for listening, and more power. Mabuhay.